Hi class, I'm back again with another video. Today we will be doing our fourth lesson for this week. Parents, I have emailed the documents to you, so if you can, please download and print. If you cannot, don't worry about it. If the student can just watch the video, that's fine too. This is one of the forms that I did send. It is a coloring sheet. You'll see the sample that I did, and there's also a second sheet that you will see in just a moment. So today, boys and girls, we're going to continue with sequencing, and today we're going to be sequencing our butterfly life cycle. As you can see, I have a poster back here behind me, but I do have a art project that we were actually going to do in class, but since we're at home, we won't be able to do it, but I can still show it to you. So with our butterfly life cycle, as you know from the story, we start with an egg, right? Here's our egg on our leaf. And what comes out of the egg? You guessed it, a caterpillar. So the caterpillar spends some time eating and enjoying all those things that he likes. And after he's eaten so much food, he builds a house around himself called a cocoon. Now, some people may also call this a chrysalis. We're going to call it a cocoon since that's the word used in our story. So for about 2 weeks or so, our caterpillar is wrapped in his nice cozy home in his cocoon, and then afterwards when he comes out, he is a butterfly. That is our butterfly life cycle. We start as an egg, then it comes out as a caterpillar. The caterpillar wraps himself in a cocoon, and out of the cocoon comes a butterfly. Okay, the butterfly life cycle. So what we're going to do today, we're going to take these 4 parts and we're going to try to sequence them. We're going to put them in order. I have my trusted board right here. I think I'm going to hold it this way. That might be better. Okay, so parents, this is the sheet that came home. I actually already cut out the pieces, and this is the coloring sheet that the students can do later. They can color it. I just cut out my butterfly and put it on construction paper. You don't have to do that, but this will just be an extra activity for the students to do once they're finished with the sequencing. All right, so does anyone remember what happens first? We have a cocoon, a butterfly, a caterpillar, and an egg. Before the caterpillar becomes a butterfly, what does he pop out of? Does anyone remember? Does he pop out of the cocoon or does he pop out of the egg first? What do you think? You guessed it. He pops out of the egg first. Pops out of the egg. So we're going to put that on number 1. Pops out of the egg. Now, this is the question. What pops out of the egg? Does the butterfly pop out of the egg? Oh, I'm sorry. Does the butterfly pop out of the egg or does the caterpillar pop out of the egg? The caterpillar. The caterpillar pops out of the egg. And we're going to put that on number 2 because that is what happens second. First we have an egg, then we have a caterpillar. Now once the caterpillar comes out, he's pretty hungry, so he's eating and eating and eating and getting himself strong and getting himself bigger. And once he's eaten all he can eat, what does he do next? Does he automatically become a butterfly? Or does he wrap himself in a nice home called a cocoon? Yep, he wraps himself in his nice home called a cocoon. That's what happens next. Okay. Now he's in his cocoon for about 2 weeks, maybe a little bit more, and there's only one picture left. So it's safe to say that what comes out of the cocoon is a beautiful butterfly. And we're going to put that on number 4. And as you can see, this is how a butterfly grows. We have an egg. After the egg pops out the caterpillar. After the caterpillar eats all he wants, he wraps himself in a nice home called a cocoon. He's in his cocoon for about 2 weeks or so, and after that comes a beautiful butterfly. And that is our butterfly life cycle. I hope you enjoyed this video, boys and girls, and don't forget to color your color sheet, okay? Make sure it's nice and pretty. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.